Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, first of all, what you have to look that the price of natural gas is moving in this particular zone, and this zone is from third week of January till now. Okay, and it is quite volatile range. Okay, now if we move before that, from you can say July of 2021 till now, we have seen there is a huge volatility, and if we go beyond this particular level, it was in this particular range, but it is not that much of volatility what we have seen in 2021 to 2023. Till now we have seen a good volatility. Okay, and if you look at before that particular period, yes, the range was very low. Okay, we have not seen the volatility we have seen in these 2 years. Okay, and now if you look at this particular chart of natural gas, you can say a pattern forming, and this pattern I am being repeatedly telling you that this pattern can be formed for the next time also. Okay, now what this pattern says that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes, as well as see if you look at this particular pattern, suppose this is the first time it crosses this particular high, went and made a sharp fall for the second time. You can say, see, it made a high, a next high, and a sharp fall we have seen. Third time it made a swing, went upside, third time, and again a sharp fall we have seen. And this fall is from 30, 50 and even 100 times bigger. It keep growing, the fall keep growing. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, that was a continuous downfall. Okay, and when it goes upside, it forms a swing. If you look at this particular pattern, it tries to move upside. When that it tries to move upside, a swing form, and that is where we have seen it is going higher. Okay, now if you look at this particular pattern, what we have seen, the price of natural gas is moving in this particular zone. And understand one thing, 4.1 is a point where there is a gap. Okay, and this is the stand. Once the price comes close to a level of $4, the probability of touching 4.35 is on higher side. So you have to keep this in mind and keep it on for a future. If the price comes close to a level of $4, chances are very high. If it sustains this level, chances of touching 4.35 is on a higher side. Okay, now if you look at this particular pattern, a green candle is trying to form, and if you look at this particular pattern, a opposite hammer is forming. Okay, so if this level sustain, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high, yes, it can sustain this level and can touch a level of around $2.736, and this is the level which is already a weak resistance. So chances are high it can cross a level of $2.824 also, and this is also a weak resistance. This is also, and this is also. So chances of going further upside is there, and it can touch a level of $3.059. Okay, and this is the high of this particular zone. So once it touches this particular zone, we can see a bounce back, but 2.8 is a support. So probability it can hit this particular support and can go further upside, and a probability of crossing this particular zone is there. Okay, and once it sustain above this level, chances of touching $3.35 is there, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $3.524, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see a level of $3.940. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain $3.940, then that it will probability that it can touch a level of $4.145, and I have already explained you, once the price sustain $4.145, probability of touching 4.35 is there, as we can see a gap theory will form, and once it sustain this level, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, and if the price move over level of 4.35, then I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. Overall trend is downside, and it is quite volatile. You can see looking at this particular trend. Now if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, suppose if this green candle didn't sustain this particular support, so if it breaks this particular support, so the next support we can see forming at a level of around $2.384, and if that levels move further down, then a probability of going towards $2.298 is there. Okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see a level of $2.091, and if that levels move further down, then a probability of going further low is there. Okay, and if you look at this particular level of $2.091, because this is the level where we have seen that it can move further low and a probability of going further down is there, because this is the level. Once it moves below a level of around $2, then we can see a level of $1.9, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1.797. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see a level of $1.621, and if that level goes further down, then chances of touching for $1.4 is there. So you have to keep this in mind. Once started falling below $2, chances of touching a level of 1.7 is there, after crossing level of 1.9 and then 1.6 to a level of 1.4, and then further if the price then sustain, because once $2 is keeping a strong support, so chances will be high if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description, as well as I teach how to technical as well as fundamental technical skills, okay, regarding how you can take trades. And most of the people lose money. Why they lose money? Because they do over trading as well as they do not follow trading psychology. So I teach that also. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.